நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புத ரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புத ரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கன்னு நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன். மறக்காம இந்த வீடியோக்கு கடைசியில் இருக்கிற அந்த அக்கௌண்ட் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா நீங்க உங்களால முடிஞ்ச காணிக்கைய நீங்க தரலாம். நன்றி. உங்களோட அற்புத இயேசு டிவிக்காக நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம். தேங்க்யூ.
We are immensely happy to greet and welcome Father Rector Major in our midst this morning, along with the Secretary, the Regional, Provincial, Economer, Vice Provincial, and the other members of the Salesian community. It is a red-letter day in the annals of this institution to have time spared for this small event, and aspirants are the center of this program. And we have a small felicitation prior to the address by the Rector Major. So on behalf of all of us gathered here, we are immensely happy to have all of you this morning. And to welcome officially our group, we have with us Father Rector, Father Thasus, to welcome the Rector Major.
Dear Reverend Father Rector Major, Father Uncle Fernandez Atme, we, the Salesians and aspirants of Don Bosco Missionary Aspirantate, are extremely happy to welcome you wholeheartedly into our midst. Your historical and important visit to our Chennai province, particularly to our Missionary Aspirantate Perambur, bring immense blessings and special favors of St. John Bosco through you. You are the living Don Bosco for us today, who bring lot of joy, enthusiasm, inspiration to all of us. Certainly, your visit to our houses, our province, will bring many more budding missionaries in the years to come. We also warmly extend our kind welcome to Father Horacio, the Secretary of our beloved Rector Major, and also our Reverend Father Mariarik Kanaga, our Regional Councillor of Southeast ESTR. We are happy to welcome Reverend Father K.M. Jose, our beloved Provincial, Reverend Father L. Don Bosco, our Vice Provincial, and Father Xavier Vakiam, our Economer. Next, we extend our hearty welcome to Deva, Rector and Parish Bishop Lucia in Perambur and his community, Father Jeffrey, the Rector of Don Bosco, Pannur, and his aspirants and his confreres to our historical meeting. A warm welcome to our dear teachers, well-wishers, and friends. It is my pleasant duty to say a few words about the mission year. We have a missionary aspirantate consists of 20 aspirants, 9 12th standard boys and 11 boys who finished degree and 12th standard. Over the past 52 years, our Don Bosco Higher Secondary School serves the poorest of the poor of this locality. This year, we have 1,735 boys, of whom 90% are from the poor section of the society. In our school, there are 55 teaching and 25 non-teaching staff members with one Salesian headmaster. We have Don Bosco Primary School, which consists of 425 children with 14 teachers and 5 non-teaching staff. Besides, we have a Sunday oratory conducted for the youth and past peoples of our locality with 170 youth and elders. For the past 7 years, the missionary aspirant sent more than 7 batches of aspirants to Northeast, of which 2 aspirants, Raymond to Siberia and Basan to Mozambique. We are working in the mission. We hope and pray the house will prepare many more missionaries in the years to come. Once again, wishing you, our beloved Rector Major, our prayerful wishes and sincere thanks for visiting us, requesting your kind blessing on all our Salesians and aspirants. Thank you. Once again, extend our hearty welcome to
Now, as a sign of our appreciation and welcome, we are happy to invite for time. Yes, thank you. May I call upon Father Lionel. Please, Father Lionel, please come forward to honor our regional Father Maria Rokia. I take it a privilege to honor our Secretary, Father Horacio Lopez. Then we have the privilege of having our provincial with us, who will be honored by Father Arul Sami, our headmaster. We have Father Vice Provincial, our active person here with us. Please come forward, Father. He'll be honored by Father Anto. Father Anto, please. Next, we have our economer, who will be honored by Father Brother Sasi. Raise your hand. Brother Assistant will present a memento. Brother Assistant. And on behalf of the aspirants there, we have yet another memento to the Secretary. Please. Then we have with us Father Deva representing Loose Shrine. Father Rector of Loose Shrine, Father Deva, will don a Pranadi on the Rector Major. And the Vice Rector, Father K.P. Paul, will garland him. Okay. Father Rector will also don a Pranadi on the Secretary. Father Anto also present a gift to on behalf of this community to the Secretary, Father Lopez. So we have completed the welcome celebration. We have honored our chief guests, and may I request the dignitaries to take their place to listen to the welcome song.
Dopo dirò altre cose,
Afterwards, I will say other things. Now, something.
però devo dire che è la prima volta che mi fanno suonare la chitarra alle 8 del mattino.
It's the first time it happens to me that they make me sing and play the guitar at 8 o'clock early in the morning.
Però devo farlo perché tra le cose che volevo dire è che la musica è importante nelle case salesiane.
But I'm happy to do that because among other things I want to tell you, one thing is that music is very important in the Salesian.
Dopo dirò più di questo.
Afterwards I'll say more about that.
Allora non posso dire che è importante e non suonare la chitarra un momento.
Of course, therefore, it's important also to play the guitar right now.
E io non so se hai coraggio per... Sempre noi facciamo, Don Orazio e io facciamo un'equipe.
Early morning the voice is not that
Perfetto.
good, but the secretary will also sing along with the rector mayor.
Però penso di fare una canzone popolare della Spagna
I'll sing a very popular common song in Spain,
dove anche noi possiamo cantare con una parola.
all of you also can join with a particular word that has to be repeated.
E la parola in spagnolo è carbón.
The word is calmon,
Carbone in inglese?
carbon, carbon,
Eh.
charcoal or carbon, carbon.
Coro number 1, number 2, number 3.
So you understood, this is choir number 1. Here in front, those who do not sing well, usually number 2. And the third-
Number 1, the young people. Number 2, the Salesian, SDV. Number 3, the young people e the communications, mass media. Allora, attention please. Carbon. Okay. My confrère. Carbon. Okay. 3. Carbon. Fourth. 1, 2, 3. Carbon. 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 1, 2, 3. Carbon. 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 Carbon d'encina y picón, carbón d'encina, picón de olivo, niña bonita, vente conmigo. Carbón, carbón, carbón. Madre, mi carbonero no vino anoche y lo estuve esperando hasta las 12. Carbón, carbón, carbón. Carbón de encina y picón, carbón de encina, picón de olivo, niña bonita, vente conmigo. Madre, mi carbonero viene de Belén y trae en el sombrero 4 claveles. Carbón, carbón, carbón. Carbón de encina y picón, carbón de encina, picón de olivo, niña bonita, vente conmigo. Last. Carbón, carbón, carbón. Okay. Oh.
Great, Father. So over to you, Father, to address our young parents of both communities.
Bene, anzitutto un saluto con vero affetto a tutti voi.
First of all, a very affectionate greeting to all of you.
Voglio cominciare per un saluto, un grande abbraccio a nome di Don Bosco dei miei confratelli SDV.
Starting with a big hug with affection for my confreres, SDB confreres.
Delle tre comunità,
Of the three communities who are here,
questa casa,
this house,
l'altro aspirantato
the other aspirantate,
e la comunità della parrocchia che abbiamo visto un minuto nella macchina.
the parish that we just saw for a minute, just entered and came out.
Sembra molto bella e molto viva, vedeva tanta gente già all'interno.
Very lively, beautiful and very active parish looks like.
E mi dispiace però il Rettor Maggiore non può visitare tutte le presenze.
But you understand that the Rector Major cannot visit all the presences.
Però nel suo nome lo farà il regionale, eh?
In his name, the regional will do all that.
Ecco, allora un grande, miei cari confratelli, sono contento sempre, molto contento di trovare a tutti i salesiani.
I am really, really happy to see you all Salesians.
Devo dirvi che alla fine delle visite in ottobre delle ultime ispettorie della India saranno più di 13.000 salesiani che abbiamo trovato.
By the end of this year, by October, when I have also other visits to other provinces in India, I would have visited more than 13,000 Salesians and greeted them individually.
E questo è bellissimo.
This is by itself a very beautiful thing.
L'esperienza più bella del Rettor Maggiore è trovare ai suoi confratelli nel mondo.
And the joy and the happiness of the Rector Major to find all his confreres in the world.
Bene, e dopo brevemente un saluto ai giovani aspiranti.
And then, of course, my greetings to the young aspirants.
E voglio dire soltanto due pensieri,
I would like to share with you just two thoughts,
però che ritengo opportuni in questa realtà.
but the two thoughts that I think are very meaningful in this reality here.
Vedendovi, dicevo, Don Bosco ha fatto lo stesso nell'oratorio a Valdocco. Mi spiego.
Seeing you act here and do things, I remember Don Bosco did the same thing in Valdocco.
Ha inviato i primi missionari alla Patagonia, alla terra di Don Orazio.
And he sent his first missionaries to Patagonia, Argentina, the country of Father Horacio.
E dopo chiedeva ai primi missionari di scrivere tante cose per entusiasmare ai giovani dell'oratorio di Valdocco.
And then he asked the missionaries to write a lot of letters about what happens to create enthusiasm among the youngsters in Valdocco.
E quei giovani avevano, tanti di loro, una vera emozione missionaria.
And those youngsters in Valdocco had a great feeling for the missions.
È stata così la nostra storia.
Thus has been our history.
Devo dirvi che della prima spedizione alla 150esima di questo anno,
From the first expedition, missionary expedition, to the 150th that will be sent this year,
sono stati 9.500 missionari in queste spedizioni.
in all these expeditions, the congregation has sent 9,500 missionaries altogether. And give a
E
clap.
9.500. Ditemi, dicevo l'altro ieri ai missionari di questa spedizione, ditemi se non siamo una congregazione veramente missionaria.
He was telling the missionaries who are in a course, attending a course in Rome, tell us whether this congregation is a missionary congregation or not, our congregation.
A me piace ricordare tanto qui nella India che oggi il carisma di Don Bosco è così bello perché avete avuto bravi missionari che sono venuti dall'inizio.
In India, the charism has developed so many institutions, so much work, because you have had wonderful and very committed missionaries who have come and worked here and planted the charism.
E questo non si deve dimenticare mai.
This you should never forget.
E ho saputo che il nostro confratello missionario a Yakutsk, Siberia, è un confratello di questa casa.
I have known that one missionary in Yakutsk, in Siberia, originates from this house.
È stato aspirante qui, salesiano, oggi missionario nella Siberia.
He was an aspirant here, I hear, and after becoming a Salesian, now a missionary in Siberia.
A volte fa un po' di freddo,
Sometimes a little cold there.
52 gradi sotto zero,
Only 52 degrees below zero.
però si può vivere, eh?
But the people are living there.
Questo è molto bello.
This
Allora,
is so nice to hear.
il primo pensiero è questo: è bello entusiasmare ai giovani con questa realtà di missione, del sogno missionario come Don Bosco.
So I think it is very nice to create enthusiasm in you with the example of all these missionaries and the first missionary.
E dopo, cosa chiedo a questi giovani?
Therefore, what would I like to ask of you?
È vero che alcuni di voi sareste salesiani di Don Bosco come noi,
It is true that some of you will become Salesians of Don Bosco like us.
altri sicuramente no.
Some others may not become or may leave.
Però a me questo non mi preoccupa.
But this does not worry me.
Solo vi chiedo di vivere questo nella fede.
I only ask you to live the whole experience in true faith.
Vuol dire, carissimi ragazzi e giovani, di chiedere al Signore una grande onestà nella vostra vita.
Dear youngsters, aspirants, what I ask you is to ask the Lord a great honesty in faith in facing your life.
Io vi invito a chiedere tante volte nella vostra preghiera al Signore che si compia la sua volontà nella vostra vita.
So ask the Lord to pray to the Lord that the will of the Lord may be fulfilled in your lives.
Secondo me è la preghiera più bella che un giovane può fare.
Doing the will of God is the most beautiful thing that a young man can do.
Dire, Signore, cosa vuoi di me?
Ask the Lord, Lord, what do you want from me?
Fate tante volte questa preghiera.
Pray like that very often, yeah.
E se il Signore ti vuole come salesiano, sarai un bravo salesiano.
And if the Lord wants you to be a Salesian, be a great and a smart Salesian.
E se il Signore ti vuole come salesiano missionario, sarai un bravo salesiano missionario.
And if the Lord wants you as a missionary Salesian, you will definitely be a great missionary.
Carissimi giovani, però sempre con grande onestà.
But what is needed in our lives is great honesty.
Io vi invito a essere sempre molto aperti del vostro cuore a dire quello che portate nel cuore.
So you have to be very open to share with your superiors what you actually have in your heart.
Ecco, sono contento di conoscere alcun bravo missionario da anni nell'Africa.
I'm very glad to also get to know Father Lionel, a great missionary for many years as a missionary in Africa.
E oggi vi dico, la realtà della congregazione è molto bella nel mondo.
The congregation and its works are so beautiful in the world today.
E il cammino è questo: servire sempre,
The way to do it is to serve and to serve always,
e sempre in mezzo ai giovani e ai più bisognosi e poveri.
to be always in the midst of the young people and among them the poorest young people.
Se è così, Dio ci benedirà
If that is so, God will definitely bless us.
e avremo futuri salesiani di Don Bosco
And we will have many future Salesians
e avremo futuri missionari.
and also many missionaries in the future.
Bene, allora, capito il messaggio semplice, no? Capito?
So, you understood the message, did you?
Don Bosco in Valdoco era molto entusiasta con i suoi ragazzi per le missioni
Don Bosco enthused his youngsters in Valdoco for the missions.
e a voi vi invito a cercare a dire al Signore: Signore, cosa vuoi di me?
And I invite you to ask the Lord, dear Lord, what do you want from me?
Tutti noi lo abbiamo fatto questa domanda.
all of us have asked this question to the Lord.
Allora io vi invito a vivere così e con grande gioia, sì?
And I invite all of you to live like that and with a great joy in your heart.
Per ultimo, sulla musica.
Last thought on music.
A me piace tantissimo quando vedo giovani nelle nostre case che suonano strumenti musicali.
When I see youngsters playing a musical instrument, I am very pleased.
Vi dirò una cosa bellissima che ho imparato nell'Argentina.
I want to share with you a beautiful reality that I saw in Argentina.
Io sono stato anche come salesiano nella Patagonia.
I have been as a Salesian, in fact as provincial in Patagonia.
Devo dirvi che c'è una tradizione musicale bellissima.
There is a very, very beautiful musical tradition there, tradition of music there among the
Dai tempi di Cagliero, Fagnano e tutti, sempre la musica è stata molto apprezzata.
Starting from the great missionaries like Cagliero, Fagnano and all the others, music has been always a great part of our activity.
Io ho conosciuto più di 20 bande di musica di questi esploratori di Don Bosco.
I have known more than about 20 bands in the place there.
Allora, a volte erano piccole,
Sometimes they were small bands.
a volte, come in Don Bosco Solís, 65 strumenti e suonavano tutti i temi musicali delle film.
And sometimes they had groups, bands having 65 or more instruments, playing beautifully all the music themes of the great films.
Cari
and great
confratelli,
pieces.
io vi incoraggio a promuovere la musica.
So, dear confreres, I encourage you to promote music.
Qui ho visto che mancano clarinette, saxo.
Here I saw, for example, many instruments are missing, like clarinets and saxophones.
Il problema non può essere la mancanza di strumento. Questo si trova.
The problem cannot be just the lack of instrument. That we can always find.
Abbiamo bisogno di maestri.
We need masters who can teach.
Siamo d'accordo che la musica è bella? Siamo d'accordo?
Are we agreed upon music what I said?
Yes. Ok. Bene, grazie. Sono molto contento di vedervi. Prometto di pregare per voi.
So thank you very much. I am very happy to have seen you. I promise to pray for you.
E dopo alcuni anni, alcuni saranno missionari, non so se nella Patagonia, per esempio.
After some years, I hope many of you will be missionaries, maybe in Patagonia.
Nella nostra ispettoria ancora non c'è nessun confratello della India. Sì, Patrick. Nella nostra ispettoria c'è un confratello missionario indiano, Patrick.
In Argentina, our province, he is saying with his secretary, there is an Indian missionary, Patrick.
Nella Patagonia vi aspettano, eh?
And in Patagonia, they are waiting for you.
Chi vuole essere missionario nella Patagonia?
Who would like to be missionaries in Patagonia? Raise your hands.
Subito. Bravi.
I thought the director also will put his hand up.
Attenti confratelli che subito prendo.
Be careful in raising your hand because
Bene,
I can
grazie.
catch you immediately and take you there.
E prometto pregare per tutti voi.
So I promise to pray for all of you.
E grazie per quello che fate.
Thanks for all that you're doing.
E grazie per il cuore salesiano di tutte le presenze.
And thank you for the Salesian heart that exists in all our presences here.
Thank you so much. Grazie. Muchas gracias.
So, grazie, Padre. So, Father has sufficiently inspired us with the Don Bosco's missionary seal. He's yet again represented Don Bosco here with us. And he has also highlighted the importance of music. I believe that you can come over here sometime to have a band also. We'll upgrade our own band also. Thanks. So, that ends our program with this discourse with the Father. And to end this program, we have our band playing once again to conclude with Don Bosco's hymn. Please.
அம்மா என்றுன்னை அழைக்கையிலே அழகிய உன்முகம் காண்கையிலே அம்மா என்றுன்னை அழைக்கையிலே அழகிய உன்முகம் காண்கையிலே
Okay. What year? 85. 85. Yeah. Hands up. Thank you, Mr. God, for the sun. Hands up.
அம்மா மரியே அருளின் தாயே அண்டி வருவோர்க்கு அடைக்கல நாயகியே அம்மா மரியே அருளின் தாயே அண்டி வருவோர்க்கு அடைக்கல நாயகியே இடைவிடாமல் சகாயம் செய்பவளே இணையற்ற இன்பத்தில் எம்மை நடத்தும் தாய்மரியே இடைவிடாமல்
நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புதர் இயேசு டிவி சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புதர் இயேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கன்னு நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன். மறக்காம இந்த வீடியோக்கு கடைசியில் இருக்கிற அந்த அக்கவுண்ட் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா நீங்க உங்களால முடிஞ்ச காணிக்கைய நீங்க தரலாம். நன்றி. உங்களோட அற்புதர் இயேசு டிவிக்காக நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம். தேங்க்யூ.